Hello, my name is Nimi. I'm a professional in the logistics industry and I run a personal development program for professional women. So, although I'm quite the go getter and quite bright, I've always struggled with defining my goals and then procrastination, slow days, and being unmotivated to get going on my goals. Until I attended Rupa Patil's goal setting intensive workshop. About the workshop, the experience has been nothing short of transformative and super energizing. I can safely say that gone are my days of stalling on my goals and disappointing myself. The workshop is action orientated and designed for leveling up with smart knowledge and practical tools. It wasn't just knowledge and tools though. The workshop also pushed me to find the crucial things that would motivate me even on my bad days. And this for me was one of the many highlights. How do I get myself motivated to do the work, to accomplish my big dreams? After the goal setting intensive workshop, I have the tools to reach my goals. The goals are set for the new year, both personally and with my team, so we can achieve my company's goals too. I am very happy that I took this opportunity for myself and my business. I am serious about my success, and although the work was serious, it was fun too. Rupa created a wonderful and easy learning environment. Her energy and spunk is contagious. I'm looking forward to the new year to see my growth. Thank you, heart-centered leader Rupa Patil, for the goal intensive workshop and for this unforgettable journey.